Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect monday.com to Power BI. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly integrate your project management data from monday.com into Power BI for a more comprehensive analysis, you're in the right place. This process can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you can effortlessly connect these two powerful tools. So, let's dive in and explore the step-by-step method to make this integration as smooth as possible. To kick things off, ensure that you are logged into your monday.com account. This is the first step to accessing the necessary options for integration. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. This is where the journey begins. Next, you need to locate the app marketplace within monday.com. This is a hub for various integrations and extensions that can enhance your experience with the platform. Head over to the search bar, which is a handy tool for finding specific apps, and type in Power BI. You are looking for the app provided by AlphaServe, as it is specifically designed for this integration. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. After selecting the app, you will see an option that says Add to your account. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. A question will pop up asking if you want to add the integration to all your workspaces or just specific ones. For simplicity, you might choose to add it to all workspaces initially. This ensures that the integration is available wherever you might need it within your monday.com environment. Once you've made your selection, click Install. The installation should only take a moment. After this, you'll be prompted to decide where exactly within your account you would like to add the app. You can choose a main workspace or any other workspace where you plan to use this integration frequently. If you haven't set up a dashboard yet, don't worry. Creating a new dashboard is straightforward, and it's an essential step for utilizing Power BI effectively. Once your dashboard is ready, click the Add App button. This action will complete the integration within your chosen workspace. Now, the next step involves connecting your boards. Monday.com allows you to select which boards you want to integrate with Power BI. This is a crucial step because it determines which data will be available for analysis. Once you've chosen your boards, click Done to proceed. The system will take a few moments to load the data. At this point, you will be required to authorize the connection. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your data is safely handled. Click the Authorize button and follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. With the integration authorized, it's time to create your first data source. This is where you define what data you want to pull into Power BI. You can select specific items, apply filters, and even add descriptions to help organize your data. Don't forget to give your data source a meaningful name that reflects its contents. Once everything is set up, click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully connected monday.com to Power BI. This integration opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and visualization, allowing you to make more informed decisions based on comprehensive insights. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to connect monday.com to Power BI. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.